Lesson 14. What time is the event?
Good afternoon, it's Dave from Master Key. Today we're going to have a lesson in time. Okay, you can look at your books, lesson 14. What time is the event? Okay, first thing we're going to look at is the most common question, and that is, what time is it? Okay, and to respond to this, simply we say, it's 12 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. For o'clock, we only use at the start of the hour. We would never use it in a different circumstance. Only at the start of the hour. Never 1:35 o'clock. Okay? Only at the start of the hour. 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock. The next example, it's 1:15 a.m. It's in the morning, or 1:15 p.m. in the afternoon. This is optional, but it is good to know. Next one, what time is it? It's 2:35. 2:35 in the morning, 2:35 in the afternoon, or 7:30 at night. Okay? The next thing we're going to look at is these numbers here. When we have 12:01, very important to say this number, O. We cannot say it's 12:01. We need to say it's 12:01, it's 12:05, it's 12:09. Okay? Do not forget about the zero. It will sound funny to anybody who knows what they're talking about. Okay. Lastly, before we start, is going to be the two different ways to speak about time. We have an easy way where we only use numbers. This is these examples over here. And we have a difficult way where we use some words. Okay, so we're going to look at those examples now. Continuing here with lesson 14, what time is it? We're looking at parts of the clock. Okay, we have three different hands. They're known as hands. We call them hands. Same as hands. Okay. Number one is the long hand. The long hand, which is right here. This tells you the minutes. Okay. So in this clock right now, it is pointing at the 45th minute of the hour. Okay. Number two is the shorthand. And this tells you the hour. So in this case here, the shorthand is pointed towards the 3, and so this indicates that it is the 3rd hour. Okay, and the last one is the long thin hand, which is up here. This tells you the seconds, how many seconds of that minute. And in this example here, it is at the starting of a new minute. Okay, now we're going to look at the easy way and difficult way, how to say them together. The difficult way is with words. Okay, so here we have 12 o'clock. The hands are both faced towards the start of the hour of 12, so we are at 12 o'clock. There is no easy way or difficult way for the starting of the hour. There's only one way. We say 12 o'clock. Okay? Now, starting here, the easy way is 12:05. Remember, we have to say O. Very important. 12:05. Difficult way, 5 past 12. 5 past 12. Okay? Over here we have the easy way, 12:10. The difficult way, 10 past 12. Okay? Over here we have the easy way, 12:15. It's 12:15, or the difficult way, 12:15. 12:15. Always want to indicate this part first. So this is the quarter, and it's past 12. 12:15. Not 12, quarter past. It's 12:15. Okay? Over here we have the easy way, it's 12:20. Difficult way, 20 past 12. Okay. Over here, easy way, 12:25. Difficult way, 25 past 12. Now we get to the easy way, 12:30. 12:30 or half past 12. Half past 12. On this part of the clock, it's always going to be past. Just to do a little review, 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, and now we have half past 12. Okay? On this side of the clock, we are going to be saying 2. And it's not to 12 o'clock, it's to the next hour. So it's going to be 2, 1 o'clock. Okay? So over here, the easy way, 12:35. 12:35. The difficult way, we have how many minutes to the next hour? We have 25 minutes to the next hour. So we say 25 to 1. Over here, easy way, 12:40. 12:40, difficult way, 20 to 1. 20 to 1. Over here, easy way, 12:45. Difficult way, quarter to 1. Quarter to 1. Okay. Easy way, 12:50. Difficult way, 10 minutes to 1. 10 to 1. Okay. Over here, easy way, 12:55. 12:55. Difficult way, 5 to 1. 5 to 1. And back at the top of the hour, we have 1 o'clock. No easy way, no difficult way, just 1 o'clock. Okay. Alright, here we are continuing with prepositions of time. Okay, example for in is going to be for minutes. Class is starting in 30 minutes. Okay, because we're talking about minutes, we're going to use the preposition in. Okay, the next one, weeks. My birthday is in 3 weeks. Because we are using weeks, we have in. Okay, continuing with months. Christmas is in December. Okay, Christmas is in December. Next one, years. My mother, she will kill me. My mother was born in 1959. My mother was born in 1959. Decades. I was born in the 1980s. Centuries. We are living in the 21st century. We are living in the 21st century. Okay? These are all examples for the preposition in. Continuing with prepositions of time and on. On is a little specific. We use on for days and complete days. Okay? Here are some examples for days. Our appointment is on Monday. Our appointment is on Monday. The party is on Friday. Okay. Your next class is on Tuesday. Okay. All of these examples we are using days. With days we use the preposition on. Okay. Now continuing, we're gonna do complete dates. Some examples for complete dates. My birthday is on January 14th. Remember, for days, for dates we use ordinal numbers. Okay, January 14th is a complete date, so we use on. Christmas is on December 25th. Okay. New Year's Day is on January 1st. Again, for complete dates, we use preposition on. Okay, continuing now, we're going to do the preposition at. At is very specific. It is the most specific preposition that we have. It is used for hours. Okay, some examples. Class starts at 4 p.m. This is specific to hours, so we use at. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. And the party is at night. The party is at night. For this is an exception. For nighttime, we use at night. Okay. One more. The appointment is at noon. Noon is another way to say 12 p.m. The appointment is at noon. Okay? Okay, one last example here showing all three of the prepositions in one sentence. We're going to use in, on, and at. Here's the example. The appointment is in July. We're using in because it's a month. On the 12th, on because it's a day. At 2 p.m., at because it's an hour. Again, the appointment is in July, on the 12th, at 2 p.m. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this lesson today, and keep studying, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you.